behavior, sign of weakness that has a stopping action, selling climax, and then we go from there. Secondary test, which is also very deep, secondary test, which is also very deep. And then we go into 2, which is the highest point of this formation, 3, which is the lower high, 4, which is the lower high. And then we kind of have the same character, a little bit more aggressive this time, I think just because of the news, because of the war. So, I mean, like, what are the war-related bars? Here, here, and today. So definitely slightly different than what we see in 2000, because that was not the case. But what happens in 2000? We go into spring, which is a lower low, and we observe that there is some demand that is coming in. So to me, this week, the most important thing is going to be, again, just wait and see how this whole Russia-Ukraine conflict is going to unfold, what kind of news we're going to have, because analogs are analogs, but if news comes and it's so negative and it's going to drive the market down, there are no analogs in the world that are going to be useful unless you look at the analogs around the war actions. Okay, so that's a possibility, number one. So what comes after that, after such possibility? Well, usually a rally, right? So we have some kind of very well-defined change of behavior that changes the bias to the downside. So we've been through this, we've talked about this multiple times. Then we said that there should be a rally of some sort after such deep reaction to the downside. That reaction to the upside could be coming out of a short-term cause. And we said that currently we're in the trading range and we are in the downswing. So this downswing, if there is some kind of stopping action, and that's the big question and the big if, would it stop there on all of this news? If it does, and some demand is coming in, then we should produce some kind of rally. Now, in the downtrending environment, this rally should fail. All right, so therefore, looking at the points of the resistance where the breakdowns has happened, so this is the level of the breakdown, you're going to have the rally that fails, you're going to have another rally that fails as well, and then off you go after the redistribution to the downside. So that's your bearish scenario. So pretty kind of like outlined really well for us in terms of the way how the structure could unfold. I think, again, only the news could deviate us from something like this.